traced his bloodline back 500 years. His name's Callum Lynch.
What do you want from me?
Your past
2017년 1월
limited by law.
Everything's permitted.
모든 것이 허용된다.
You work in the dark to serve the light.
We are assassins.
어쌔신 크리드 1월 11일 대개봉.